First question. The main reinforcement in a simply supported RCC member placed at options top fiber, side fiber, bottom fiber, none of these. Answer option C, bottom fiber. If the load at the free end of cantilever beam is increased, the failure will occur at the options free end, center, support, none of the above. Answer option C, support. Chemically, marble is known as options siliceous rock, metamorphic rock, argillaceous rock, calcareous rock. Answer option B, calcareous rock. Brick lintels are used when the span is options less than 2 meter, less than 3 meter, less than 1 meter, none of these. Answer option C, less than 1 meter. Mastic asphalt is normally used for options sound insulation, waterproofing, fireproofing, none of these. Answer option B, waterproofing. Limestone comes under the category of options aqueous rock, sedimentary rock, stratified rock, all the above. Answer option D, all the above. Plaster of Paris is obtained by calcining. Options gypsum, kangar, limestone, none of these. Answer option A, gypsum. The inner curve of an arch is known as options spandrel, extrados, intrados or soffit, none of the above. Answer option C, intrados or soffit. The frog of a brick is normally made on its options shorter face, bottom face, long face, top face. Answer option D, top face. The projected portion of the thread beyond the face of the riser is options newel, scotia, soffit, nosing. Answer option D, nosing. Dog-legged stair is a options half-turn stair, quarter-turn stair, three-quarter-turn stair, continuous stair. Answer option A, half-turn stair. The portion of brick cut to form angles other than right angle in plan is known as options queen closer, skewn brick, coin brick, none of the above. Answer option B, skewn brick. The course of stonemasonry provided at the top of a wall and usually ornamental in shape are known as options corbel, throating, projecting course, cornice. Answer option D, cornice. The member used in inclined position for supporting the strainer post is options tension rod, compression rod, strut, tie beam. Answer option C, strut. An arrangement for supporting an unsafe structure temporarily is known as options piling, underpinning, scaffolding, shoring. Answer option D, shoring. The area of any irregular figure plotted by map is measured with options pentagraph, sextant, clinometer, planimeter. Answer option D, planimeter. On a diagonal scale, it is possible to read up to options 1 dimension, 2 dimension, 3 dimension, 4 dimension. Answer option C, 3 dimension. Super elevation depends on options surface condition of the rod, radius of the curve, speed of the vehicle, B and C above. Answer option D, B and C above. Contour lines close together indicate options gentle slope, steep slope, plain ground, valley. Answer option B, steep slope. The whole circle bearing of a line is 120 degree. Its reduced bearing is. Options: south 30 degree east, north 60 degree east, north 120 degree east, south 60 degree east. Answer option D, south 60 degree east. The Simpson's rule for determination of area is used when the number of offset is. Options 2, 3, even, odd. Answer option D, odd. The zero of the graduated circle of a prismatic compass is located at. Options: south end, east end, north end, any of these. Answer option A, south end. The working edge of an alidade is known as. Options: ebonite, fiducial, straight, graduated. Answer option B, fiducial edge. Which type of foundation is provided on a weak soil? Options: grillage, column footing, raft foundation, all of the above. Answer option D, all the above. Wicket apparatus is used for. Options: consistency test, test for setting time, test for tensile strength, none of these. Answer option A, consistency test. A hard water may contain. Options: calcium carbonate, magnesium sulfate, magnesium bicarbonate, any of the above. Answer option D, any of the above. Bleaching powder is. Options: slaked lime, chloride of lime, hypochlorite lime, none of the above. Answer option C, hypochlorite lime. Permanent hardness of the water can removed by. Options: adding lime, adding chlorine, boiling, zeolite process. Answer option D, zeolite process. The wastewater from bathrooms, lavatory basins, kitchen, etc. are called. Options: sillage, night soil, waste soil, none of these. Answer option A, sillage. The gas which is mainly responsible for explosion in sewer is called. Options: methane, ethane, carbon monoxide, none of the above. Answer option A, methane. For maximum alkalinity of water, pH value should be. Options: less than 7, more than 7, 21, 14. Answer option D, 14. 1 Newton is equal to. Options: 10 raised to 4 dyne, 10 raised to 5 dyne, 10 raised to 6 dynes, 10 raised to 7 dynes. Answer option B, 10 raised to 5 dynes. The moment of force is equivalent to. Options: the sum of the moments acting on a body, the vertical sum of the moments acting on a body, the algebraic sum of the moments acting on a body, none of the above. Answer option C, algebraic sum of moments acting on a body. The property of a material by which it can be beaten or rolled into plates is called. Options: elasticity, malleability, rigidity, viscosity. Answer option B, malleability. Bending moment on a section is maximum where shear force is. Options 2, 5, 10, 0. Answer option D, 0. Snow cement is. Options: mixture of lime and pigment, chalk powder, colored cement, none of the above. Answer option C, colored cement. Bessemer process is used for the manufacture of. Options: pig iron, wrought iron, cast iron, steel. Answer option D, steel. The covering on the exposed top of the wall is called. Options: cornice, coping, corbel, cramp. Answer option B, coping. Seasoning of timber is essential to remove. Options: knots from the timber, sap from the timber, twisted fiber from the timber, roughness of timber. Answer option B, sap from the timber.